Alright, it is Friday, June 7th, 2019 at 12:22 p.m. Let's take a look at my Twitter page for some headlines. Alright, just a 2.6 centimeter at my station after a low 2.2 centimeter with the satellite images showing the sun rising over the impressive looking storm Miguel north of Spain. Thankfully for us, Miguel is heading for England and Wales and not us. You see here the storm system happening and curling over Europe here, parts of Spain, and heading over to England. Let's take a look here quickly at WXCHARTS. Miguel is at low pressure of 994 low, and it is over England right now. Let's take a look at it play out. See as it heads northeast, and it goes, the low goes up to 1005 after it passes over England. But England right now is experiencing Miguel. Alright, also, wait a minute. Texas storm chasers and NWS Corpus Christi, you mean everybody had the pink-orange sky tonight? I thought it was just Rockport. So apparently, Texas and Rockport are having pink and orange skies. Let's take a look at the picture here. Pink, purplish skies in Texas and Rockford. Alright. Also, just scrolling through here, some posts. Alright, also, a rare named storm Miguel will strike the United Kingdom. We were just talking about that. And it's a Saturday, bringing downpours and gusty winds. Friday through Saturday. Alright. Also some cool pictures of lightning here. This is a nice picture in Saskatchewan. A nice capture. Alright, also the greatest risk of a couple of tornadoes during Friday evening will be focused on the southeastern end over eastern Colorado to the southeastern end of Wyoming and the Nebraska Panhandle. So Friday evening night, hail, downpours, damaging winds, and AccuWeather local storm max at 70 miles per hour for parts of Casper, Rapid City, Bismarck, Fargo, and the Winnipeg area. So that area, please be aware, you might be getting some severe thunderstorms and tornadoes. And also, apparently there's a new type of weather phenomenon in Houston, Texas now. Lightning rainbows are showing up over the skies in videos from last night. As we saw earlier, pictures of pink skies in Texas. So apparently they have orange, pink sky with a rainbow and lightning happening over Houston, Texas. Some interesting pictures coming out of Texas. Alright, also forecast map for early part of today. The southeast, Louisiana, Georgia, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia, this whole area is a possibility of seeing a lot of rain and possibility of hail and storm, wind, and flooding. Alright, here, despite helping to ease drought conditions, tropical downpours will raise flooding concerns and ruin outdoor plans as over a month's worth of rain is unleashed across the south into early next week. Let's take a closer look here. Through this weekend, urban and flash flooding, heavy thunderstorms, debris flows in southern Appalachians, beneficial rain in the Mississippi to the Carolinas because there was some drought happening in the Carolinas and the southeast. AccuWeather local storm max 12 inches of rain is what is expected. Rain and thunderstorms around Nashville, Charlotte, and the heaviest rainfall around Alabama, Georgia, parts of North Carolina, and Tennessee. Alright. And the high temps for today, so your temperatures, weather. Let's see, the high temperatures for today. Some 80s in North Carolina, 85 in South Carolina, 83 in Georgia, 90s. 91, 86 in the Panhandle of Florida, 91 in Central Florida, Louisiana, 87 to 90 degrees, also 84 degrees, Texas, 84, 87, 93, and 98. So pretty much cooling off a bit, but still warm. Not as warm as it was earlier in the past couple of weeks where it was hot. Alright, now, snow in June. Yes, it does happen, and quite frequently we might add. Today's storm in the north featured a cold side, which may bring some accumulation to high elevations, as we are seeing currently in Big Sky, Montana. So it's snowing in Big Sky, Montana in June. Alright, and also freedom to a new world in the sea, all these tiny baby turtles being released into the ocean. It's good to see. Also, the annual African Easterly Wave Train is underway, including this healthy one. The atmosphere now over the tropical Atlantic is hostile to development, yet this reminds us the beginning of the climatological peak of the hurricane season is just a couple of months away. So these storms are happening off the coast of Africa. Let's take a look quickly here at the coast of Africa. There are some storms coming off of it, but it does not seem to be turning into anything major, just the regular rain bands. There is something in the middle of the Atlantic heading towards the US a little bit, but it does not seem to be anything serious. It's just more rain bands, but it is something to keep an eye on. I always keep an eye on everything. Alright, there's a lot of rain happening over the East Coast. So that's good to have more moisture over the East Coast. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit like and subscribe for more. See you guys next time, and God bless.